We're here at Meadow Hall at Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia. Today we're going to play with some great Virginia fish, farm-raised tilapia, and we're going to do something a little different with it. We're going to do a beer batter for it. So I've got Shana Pearson from Stratford University's Culinary Arts School. I'm her instructor over there. She's come here to help me today. So we've got the fish, we've got the ingredients. We're going to make a little tartar sauce, and you ready? Okie doke. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is make the batter, and I've got some flour here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to the batter, and I'm going to add some baking powder, all right, to make it puff a little bit. Now, we always mix the dry ingredients first when we're using baking powder so that we don't wind up activating the reaction. All right, now we're going to add a beaten egg. All right. I'm just going to use a fork to beat this up. All right. And that's going in there. And we're going to add some beer. This calls for about a cup of beer, which is about 2/3 of a bottle. All right. But we're looking more for the batter consistency than we are for the actual measurement. So we need a little bit more. Well, we need a little more beer, so surprise, surprise. All right. So this is the batter. We want to be able to dip the fish into this batter, have the batter stick to it, but not be clumpy or thick. So now, Shana is going to help us out here. All right. And we're going to move this batter over here. You use your tongs for a minute. All right. I'm going to season up this fish just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. All right, now Shana, what we're going to do is we're going to take the fish, all right, and we're going to dredge it a little bit in the flour, dip it in the batter, let it drip just a little bit, and then into the fat it goes. You got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you see how it floated and it's puffy, now we're just waiting for color.
Yes.
All right? So you can go ahead and do that. You don't want to crowd the pan too much. 3 pieces, 4 pieces, something like that in there, depending on the size, and then you wait for it to get done, pull them out to the paper, all right? Sure. While you're doing that, I'm going to make some tartar sauce. All right? So first thing for the tartar sauce is some mayonnaise. I want to use a good quality mayonnaise. Since that's the bulk of this dish. And so we got some mayonnaise. I got about 1.5 cups of mayonnaise in here. Now I'm going to add some cornichons and some capers. You can get those at any grocery store. A cornichon is a little bit more, it's a sophisticated dill pickle. So you can use dill pickle if you'd like. All right? I'm not going to put as much in there as that. Right? All right? And I'm going to use some grainy mustard. Now I'm going to mix this up. All right. All right. So we've got that pretty well mixed. I'm going to take a little bit of white vinegar and put that in. All right. And mix that up. I'm going to take my lemon. I'm going to just kind of roll it a little bit to loosen up the insides. Then cut it and squeeze about the juice of half a lemon, about a tablespoon. All right. And now we've got the tartar sauce done. Move this into a dish. How are we doing on that fish, Shana?
Almost there, Chef.
Good deal. Ah, perfect. Look at these gorgeous fish. All right. We're going to put these on the plate. All right. Yeah, it's beautiful. Smells delightful. Did a great job. Put that over here. I'm going to put a couple of lemons on here to make it look pretty. All right, there's enough. And I'm going to add a little tomato concassé to this tartar sauce. All right. The tomato concassé is a tomato that has had the skin taken off of it, usually by blanching it in boiling water for a minute. And then it's peeled, seeded, and diced up into brunoise, which is an eighth of an inch by an eighth of an inch by an eighth of an inch cube. So that's really just a garnish. It's not there to add much, but it does add some acid. All right. So there we go. Beer battered fish with tartar sauce. Join us next week on Heart of the Home when we get to play with more great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.